What a beautiful bit.
I think you mean beach.
That's what I said. Bit.
Okay. Today I'm going to talk about the two vowel sounds E and I. E is the sound in words like seat and beach, and I is the sound in words like sit and that other B word. First, we're going to focus on our tongue's position. When we make these two vowels, our tongue is high, so it's close to the roof of our mouth, and it is front, so it's pushing towards the front of my mouth. Let's practice these two vowels and think about what your tongue is doing. E, E. Now, when you make this vowel, hopefully you're feeling your tongue is touching the roof of your mouth and it's kind of scrunched towards the front of your mouth. E. Now let's say the vowel I, I, I. My tongue is not quite as high, but it's still curving up and it's kind of pushing on the bottom teeth. I, I, I. It's kind of trying to get out of my mouth. Now we can compare these two high front vowels with a low front vowel, the vowel A, like in the word apple. And when I make that vowel, I can feel my tongue drop to the bottom of my mouth. We'll say those three vowels together. E, E, I, A, A. We can feel our tongue drop. Vowels are also described as either tense or lax. This describes how much muscle tension there is in my face when I make the vowel. E is a tense vowel because there's a lot of tension in my muscles. E, E. My lips are spread, my cheeks are scrunched. E. The vowel I is a lax vowel. I. My lips are not, and my cheeks are kind of relaxed. I. Let's compare. E, I, E, I. So the best way to practice the pronunciation of these two sounds is first to practice in front of the mirror just saying the vowels. E, I, E, I. And then we want to put them in some words so that we can, have them in more context. So I have 3 pairs of words for you. Number 1, beat, beat, bit, bit. Seat, seat, sit, sit. Heat, heat, hit, hit. And a bonus, sheet, sheet. And the other word is like hit, but with an S in front. You know which one I'm talking about. Okay, that's it for today. As always, hit me with your questions and I'll see you next time.